My name is Henry Ohiku, CEO of Spice Orbit. Spice Orbit is a place where you can come for your mouth-watering dishes of all kinds. Basically, shawarma, chicken and chips, barbecue, pizza, pepper soup, and lots more. Some are based on order, while some are just instantly when you come, you get them. Started like 2019. I've worked for 9 years, and as a young man, you need something to sustain yourself. Come to a point where I got tired of the job as a banker. I got tired, so I needed something. So I begin to think of what I can do, what I have with me that I can put into production. So that comes Spice of it. Being a CEO is not easy. It has actually been so challenging due to financial stuff, the economy, which can play out its own roles, and so lots more of it. It's where I needed to sit myself down and draft out and map out how I want my business to go and push forward. Going forward, I have to take up some pains, like depriving myself of some stuff for that period. At that starting period, you have to deprive yourself and get yourself together so that the business can actually go on. So I started with a kiosk, which is just a little kiosk where people come. So then I told myself, what did I start with then? I told myself, I started with just shawarma and indomie. I had a shawarma toast then. I had there were like 3 or 4 products which I started with. So I told myself, if I can get some kind of profit or outcome from this product with some specific turnover, I know I'm in business. So I employed a sales girl, which was also there with me. So we run it and run it over time. So from 1 kilo of beef or 2 kilo of beef, we start growing gradually to 3 kilo, 4 kilo. People start knowing us. Then from one chicken, we start having like three, four, five, six. So the growth has been tremendous. It's it's encouraging. So the major challenges which I face is the issue of light. And this what we do here, they are perishable, so we need to preserve them. We need to make sure they are in good condition. So, but in the absence of that, you just see yourself trying to struggle with your business. You can buy cheese, for example, for about 80, 100K, and without preservation, just give me 2 days, everything will just spoil. So you just as if you are coming back and rolling over backward again. So but if you have access to a good light system like solar, which is a stable source now, I guess it will do a lot more good for the business. My passion for this business is what has actually kept me going, and I know we are not where we want to be yet, but we'll get there through perseverance, keep pushing forward, and we'll get there. So we'll be looking forward in you being part in the process, like patronizing us so that we can get to actually where we want to be. Feel free to reach us with the contact displayed on the screen. As we look forward to have you around someday. Thank you very much.